Oh, hey there. I just checked the National Weather Service map and I noticed that there were some warnings regarding winter precipitation. That made me wonder, what if I did an episode on the various forms of winter precipitation? That is coming up next on Weathering the Autism Storm. Welcome back to Weathering the Autism Storm, the vlog of my life as an autistic meteorologist. I am JP, your host. If you are new, I would like to ask if you could like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and help spread word about my channel and my videos, as I am hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. Now, about 2 months ago, I did an episode on thunderstorms and the science of it and tips for it. Today I am going to do a sequel episode on the science, as well as break down the different types of winter precipitation that most of the US experiences, including snow, graupel, sleet, and freezing rain. Let's dive into the science, featuring the materials you need for snow and other precipitation to form. First, you would need a cloud, a very cold cloud to be precise, as you have to have super cooled water droplets for any winter precipitation like snow to occur. Basically, a super cooled water droplet is a droplet of water that is colder than its freezing point. However, it stays as a liquid and is not frozen solid. However, supercooled droplets freeze if they hit a surface cold enough or collide. Okay, so we have the supercooled drops, and if these drops freeze completely, they become ice crystals. So how do we get from drops and crystals to snow and other forms of winter precipitation? Well, there are two methods, accretion and accumulation. Accretion is when an ice crystal falls and hits some of the supercooled droplets which freeze into the ice crystal to make it grow. However, most of these crystals become graupel and trap there and is very small, up to 0.2 inches. These accreted crystals shatter easily. Accumulation is when two or more of the crystals collide and become a bigger crystal. Accumulation is the most common way for snow to form. These snowflakes grow up to 3 to 4 inches big. Now let's talk about how the winter precipitation occurs from these crystals, or now snowflakes. Snow is when the crystals fall through the air, although the air is not warm enough to be above freezing. However, snow can occur if the surface is above freezing but below 38 degrees Fahrenheit or so, only if it is big enough and has not melted completely. However, if it's small enough, then it'll melt into rain. The next form of winter precipitation is freezing rain. What it is basically when snow falls through a large area from air that is above freezing, which completely melts the snow into liquid droplets. However, the air near the surface is freezing or below freezing, which causes the rain to freeze when it hits the surface. The result of this is freezing rain and can be dangerous as it causes the roadway to freeze and become super slippery, and that causes crashes. The third form of winter precipitation is sleet. Sleet starts as snow, and just like freezing rain, it gets melted when passing through an area of warm air. However, Sleet freezes as there is enough cold air between the warm air and the surface for it to refreeze, and the sleet bounces when it hits the surface but does not shatter. Another term for sleet is ice pellets, and that is used in aviation and weather observations. The last form of winter precipitation is grapple. Another term for grapple is snow pellets. Grapple is basically the accreted ice crystals, and they shatter upon impact on the ground. And that sums up the various forms of frozen winter precipitation. However, when there's winter precipitation in the forecast, you can be safe by driving slower, as the roadways would be more slippery, plus visibility on the roadways are impacted by snow. In addition, it would be a good idea to carry de-icer, a scraper, a shovel, and some extra blankets in your car if you drive, to make sure you are safe. If you would like to see more weather topics or have ideas for future episodes and topics, please like, comment, and subscribe. And please help share my channel, as I am hoping to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. Thanks, and I'll see you next time on Weathering the Autism Storm.